Oh yes, this is Durban Network. Igama ke ngusabelo Ndabaso. Lona ke uhlelo lwakho olithanda ngendlela ke eyisimangaliso olithinta indaba ezithinta iTheku namaphethelo. Siyaya national and we even go abroad. Sinika ke zona indaba mhlawumbe enifisa ukuzizwa ungakhohlwa ukuthi lo hlelo lixhaswe yona ke iNative Guard inkampani ama security egada ngokuzinikela. Uma ufuna ke ukuxhumana nabo, you can go through their website, which is www.nativeguard.com, or you can visit their offices in the Konya Center, which is office number 20. Angihambi ke ngedwa.
Yes, igama usiyabonga lo bafowethu i-office ke likhona ngempela njengoba umfowethu beseshilo likhona lapha ku-Konya Center khona la eDurban phakathi town nje u2030 office la khona ungaya khona ukwazi ukufika uthola imininingwane ethe xaxa igama ngusiya njengoba bese ngishilo.
Kuningi ke sikuthama undawo ke namhlanje ohlelweni olukhulu, kodwa ke manje into esingahle siyibheke masiqala uhlelo ukunqoba kwakhe ke uDonald Trump esimazeke ukuthi uke waba ke umongameli wasezweni elikhulukazi iUSA, and he has came back for a second term enqoba ke esho ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi uyabuya eAmerica uzoqhubeka nomthetho mhlawumbe ekuwukuthi singawubeka njengane mandate akade enikwe yona ama-Democrats.
Mfowethu ngiqale nje ngibonge kubona bonke abantu who are following uhlelo lwethu iDurban Network. Siyabona ukuthi we are growing in terms of our subscribers. We are also growing in terms of the view. It's all because of ukubuka kwenu nokusupporta kwenu nokushare ama videos. Thank you for supporting yona iDurban Network. Keep on supporting iDurban Network because we are bringing you the best. Mfowethu, coming back to indaba kaDonald Trump, siyakhumbula ukuphuma kwakhe ukuthi vele wayeshilo ukuthi kuningi ayesazokunikeza iAmerica. So kushuthi kwakhona ngempela abantu ababekholelwa ukuthi uzobanikeza okuthile, which is happening njengamanje ukuthi baphinde bamvotela same sikholwe ukuthi labantu abamvotele abantu ababe ama loyalties akhe vele nokuthi babekholelwa ukuthi wenza kahle nokuthi babekholelwa ukuthi mhlambe izinto ezayikade ecampaigna ngazo umnumzane lophumile bani lophumile uJoe Biden yes into ayicampaigna ngazo ngesikhathi ecampaigna babekholela ukuthi uvulele iAmerica ukuthi kube eyanomba, kanti uTrump wayekade campaigna ngokuthi njengoba bengiphethe bengithi America is for Americans, and ngisaqhubeka lapho of which abanye babekholelwa ukuthi akumele kube njalo njengoba sazi izwe lase-America ukuthi linabantu abaningi abangama citizens khona kodwa ngasiba abase-America. So yiko kwaphuca amandla uTrump, but siyabona ukuthi uyabuya manje ngoba abantu base-America mhlambe barealizile ukuthi uJoe Biden besenikeza kakhulu inkundla kubantu bangaphandle kanti bafuna ukuthi iAmerica kube yama-Americans. Asazi ke mhlambe abanye bakhomentile into ezihlukene abantu emva kokuwina kwakhe uTrump bethi abantu base-America bayizilima bebabiza kanjalo okuyilanguage engekho inhle, kodwa bebabiza kanjalo bethi lo muntu into azenza zazibonisa ukuthi umuntu ongenayo i-capability ne-capacity yokulida izwe elinganganaleliya, kodwa napho sebemvotele back. Abanye baraise ama-points ukuthi iAmerica iyizwe eligcwele abantu abacwasayo. So uTrump njengoba ethi America is for Americans wayeqhuba ukuthi uyacwasa. So umuntu ovotele uTrump umuntu ocwasayo.
Mhlambe akufanele lento siyibuke ngehlo lokuthi we know English people as nationalists, abantu abafuna ukugcina kwamangisi emangisini. Mhlambe singabagxeka yini abantu baseMelika kakhulukazi bebale elimhlophe noma abama English speaking people to vote for somebody who they believe is their own?
Ngeke sibaxeke ngoba izwe labo bafisa ukuthi izinto iculture yabo ibe preserved and reserved ngendlela ababekade benza ngayo, of which uTrump is proving to be one person who is advocating ukuthi whatever eyayenzeke eAmerica kudala ngesikhathi iAmerica ithola i-economy yayo, ibuild i-economy yayo, kumele kuqhubeke kanjalo, meaning amazwe ama-contracts nama-contracts amakhulu, ama-green contracts owasayine eAmerica ukuze ube nevumelwano namanye amazwe kusamele kuqhubeke lapho, okuzokwenza ukuthi umnotho wase-America uhlezi umkhulu. Bakholelwa ukuthi uJoe Biden bese kubalekisa lokho, kanti uTrump usticka kulezo zinto, futhi usticka ekutheni umuntu omhlophe kumele abe superior eAmerica njengane-founder ye-country yase-America.
Siyadlula odabeni ke la Donald Trump sithi ke umkhokha ungase umiswe ungabusaqhubeka from next week. What is happening there?
Not from next week, from March, from the 26th of March.
Of March, which is the next season.
Yes,
the other season won't continue.
Exactly, yes. We won't have another season ezolandela le esikuyona yomkhokha, of which ke asazi lento ihleze vele ihambelana na ukuthi mhlambe mhlambe broadcast isuke izobheka ama-views, ama-viewers rather, ukuthi ayakhula noma yehla, mhlambe izobheka ukuthi ngesikhathi umkhokha ungena mhlambe inamba yayiphezulu seyiyadrop inamba, so sebefile ukuthi mhlambe this is a prime time le soap edlala kusona. So if ever mhlambe we can introduce another soap ingakwazi ukuthi la manamba iwadablish or even iwatriple.
But shouldn't generally we look at yonke into mayifika abantu baba nesasasa, then it drops over time?
But as a broadcaster, you are following a business, so you wanna keep those numbers. If you come and bring me big numbers, you have to maintain them, because already mina ngisuke sengenza ibhizinisi kulawo ma-numbers osuke usuwalethile. Mese ngibona ehla lawo ma-numbers, then ngizoba skeptical ukuthi should I renew your contract or not. So I think this is into abagcine behlangana nayo abaphathi bomkhokha together with the production house. So this is very painful for ama-actors abesibazi ukuthi ikhaya labo umkhokha, every month mayiphela kunemali abazoyihola, njalo babhizi bayashutha, because umsebenzi osukufana nomuntu osebenza efamily mangabe ushutha isoap. But mase kuthiwa iyaphela futhi ufana nomuntu ode sebenza efamily osediliziwe. So it's very painful for ama-actors akhona, ama-producers and everybody, even for abaphathi ngoba nawo bebenesinkwa, of which manje they will have to start all afresh.
I-bridge elikhulukazi la kubona ke u-N2 elisusa imoto liyisusa eThekwini libhekisa le enzansi ko South Coast, liya collapse. I think that is through imvula isichotho esibekhona einsukwini ezidlule elihlasele nje iKZN nxa yonkana kodwa kakhulu olihlasele inyakatho yeTheku. Siyabona ukuthi manje sekugcina kuqhekeka ama-bridge, and le bridge ekukhulunywa ngalo i-bridge ngempela eli-get away from the city of Durban to the South Coast.
Yeah, kubuhlungu mfowethu, it is one of izinto esihleze sikhuluma ngazo, i-infrastructure yaseThekwini ukuthi is it good enough ukumaintaina iTheku, ukuthi through imvula, imoya, nani izinto ezinatural esaziyo ukuthi kodwa sigcine zidestroya i-infrastructure, ukuthi ngempela izakhiwo zeTheku zizonkana, ezomgwaqo, ezamanzi, ezani zikumele yini lokho, zikulungele yini, are they strong enough to the city itself renovate and make sure ukuthi lezo zinto mangabe sengathi yaguga ukuthi buyele esimweni. So lela bridge libonisa kona ukuthi umasipala waseThekwini akenzi ngokwanele ukwenza sure ukuthi izinto zakhe ziyamaintaineka, makufika imvula ziyakwazi ukumelana nazo, okuyiko futhi esibona ukuthi kugcina kusafarisa abantu ngoba njengamanje lela bridge ligcine selivalwa officially ukuthi ngeke imoto zisakwazi ukuhamba zona, sekumele zisebenzise lento ekuthiwa ama-alternative routes, which is not good ngoba indawo lesazi ukuthi yenza ukuthi ukwazi ukucount isikhathi. Asithi mhlawumbe usebenzela uhamba ngale bridge nja every day ukwazi ukucount isikhathi no-petrol ozowista ngenyanga, but the more usebenzisa ama-alternative routes isikhathi sakho siyamosheka ne-budget yakho yenyanga iyamosheka in terms of petrol. So kubuhlungu kakhulu, kodwa-ke ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba i-bridge elibalulekile njengoba sowushile li-getaway, engingathi ngeke ukwazi ukuthi izinto iflowe kahle ingasebenzi umasipala uzolilungisa ngokushesha.
Mhlawumbe ngeke lento siyibuke njenganento mhlawumbe esingathi igenge noma abantu abanikezwa amathuba osomathenda to say mhlawumbe banenkinga yokuthi banikeze umasipala into equality, ngoba sihleze siyikhuluma lento yokuthi abantu isikhathi esiningi abanikezwa umsebenzi sokuthi abazi lutho ngaleyo nto, noma mhlawumbe benikezwa i-maintenance because the la bridge it has been existing for so many years. I'm sure over there khona abantu abake banikezwa ithuba lokuthi bali-maintain benze sure ukuthi bayiqinisa libuyele esimweni sokuthi likwazi ukuphinde lihlale eminye iminyaka. Mhlawumbe ngabe kwanikezwa abantu abarong yini ithuba lokuthi benze i-maintenance over the bridge?
Yeah, it's always a case with not nje South Africa yonke engathi iDurban ukuthi umsebenzi ugrantwa abantu othola ukuthi even when you speak of i-grading system aba-reach leyo level yokuthi bakwazi ukuthi benze lowo msebenzi. Abanye ukuthi bayi-reach but they wanna save a lot of money out of the projects. They wanna in fact benefit or make more profits, excessive profits out of lowo msebenzi. So bagcine sebesebenzisa i-material engekho right, bagcine sebeqasha o-engineer abangekho right kulowo msebenzi, so which is not good ngoba yiwo izinto ezenza ukuthi sigcine umsebenzi siwuthola ungasiyo equality. Mhlambe into ekumele ilungiswe, kodwa it's been going on for a long time. We were hoping ukuthi the introduction of GNU will solve these kinds of problems because we've been facing them for a very long time.
Duduzile Zuma is a new person of the Pan-African Parliament, chairperson yes. Of the Pan-African Parliament. When we speak of a Pan-African Parliament, we speak of people who are prioritizing African ideas. When we speak of African ideas, that would be obviously the nationalization of mine, nationalization of transport, yes. Nationalization of airlines and stuff. We speak the nationalization of even fashion. Ukuthi abantu who are in Africa must wear the African fashion. Yes. That is the idea which was, being championed by the late Kwame Nkrumah, yes. President of Ghana, at some time. So na into enjalo ivuka manje uDuduzile Zuma mhlawumbe likhona yini ushintsho angalenza towards the idea that we've been knowing ukuthi i-Pan-African Parliament should be championing?
Yeah, I think with history ababawakhe uJacob Zuma, who is one of abantu abaziwa ama-leaders e-Africa abephusha leyo nto ukuthi Africa should be the independent continent in terms of economy. When we speak of economy Africa, we speak of all the components and elements you've just mentioned, to whatever is a sort of a resource as Africa,
mineral resources.
Yes, some mineral resources, etc. and etc. Mele benefits abantu base-Africa, mele ibuild iphelele e-Africa. So I think mhlambe uzoba nako lokubheka ukuthi isifiso lesi mhlambe sikababa, so nami angizibheka izinto enjalo na ubaba wakhe, he will be the backbone to her. I'm advised ukuthi this is how you should approach izinto njengoba sokuthola isikhulu.
But looking at his father's position, who ran for 2 terms, he even failed South Africa in as to give izinto zabantu abamnyama kubantu abamnyama. He was not very influential in the land proposition that the land should be given back to black people. Kuningi wakufuna abantu abamnyama angazange achieve. Why this now we think it can be influential to her daughter to achieve the same?
Yeah, kwesinye isikhathi into mayibhekene nawe kuba nzima ukuyenza, but ukucoacha ingako ucoach nasebholeni mawungathi ukwazi ukutshela umdlali ukuthi yenza ukuthi kodwa mawuthi akungene yena akwenze ngeke azakwenze. So ngizama ukutheni mhlambe izinto zibe nzima for umnumzane uZuma because of uyazi mangabe usesikhundleni ukuthi whatever wenzayo kunabantu abasuke beyiphikisa. So mangabe sewucoach umuntu ngento awufisa ukuyenza akufani noma kuwena ngoba mhlawumbe wena usuke uzohluleka ukubhekana nama-politics asuke efuna ukusideline at that time ukuthi angeke kwenzeke ukuthi mhlawumbe yena uzosebenzisa ipower yokuthi e-Afrika unamandla. I mean uyaziwe e-Afrika ukuthi enze sure ukuthi basupporte izinto ezenziwa indodakazi yakhe.
In Gonga Baltas, I've slept with 400 women in Equitorial Guinea. At some point we should look at Africa. We've had a lot of people, maybe some that are even have 100 and above kids. With 34 wives, official wives. In Africa, it's something eyaqala kudala eloku ikhona eAfrica ukuthi ipolygamy nengane eziningi into esiyajwayeleka. But with him doing this in recent times, isn't that surprising?
It is surprising considering the fact ukuthi kunezifo kakhulu eAfrica ezikhona eziningi. And we've seen some of our videos la asukenza lento. Something very sensitive is that he doesn't even wear a condom. I myself, I observed some of the videos of lezi zinto ekukhulunywa ngazi ukuthi uzenzile and akafakile ngisho condom. Uyabona ukuthi he's a very reckless man obengenandaba kushuthi nenkosikazi wakhe ngoba unengane unonkosikazi. Unengane eziwu-6 and to a big surprise le ngane ziwuyena ngisho uzibuka ngisho ezamantombazane ziwuyena nje. So kuyabonakala ukuthi whatever abenza ngaphandle bebuya futhi aphinde eze kunkosikazi azokwenza futhi. But mhlawumbe ingane ziyaphila sazi noma zi-affectekile lezi zifo. But nje ubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi lezi zinto abezenza ubelala namakhosikazi abantu kakhulu. 80% walento ayenzile ubenza amakhosikazi abantu and abantu ngoba umuntu lo okuwukuthi uyipolitiki. So ubethatha lo advantage ukuthi abantu usondelene ulale nenkosikazi ulale even nengane ezalwa upresident ulale nomunye inkosikazi womunye ophethe kwimilitary. Amakhosikazi amaningi njalale nawo abantu abanepower Equitorial Guinea kwipolitiki who are holding big positions walala nabo ebamanipulator. Istory siyavela ukuthi memanipulator vele abantu begcine sebathola ngokuthi ulala nomunye athi hey uba navenzana kahle kusho umuntu ade ewumaster vele kulento yesex. So kwenza ukuthi agcine ethola abanye ngokuhlukana ngereference yabanye ngoba uyazana bepolitiki abanye they do not have even husbands. So mhlawumbe indoda yafa or badivorcile. So nje into ejwayelekile ukuthi khona uthola abantu abalula ukuthi ungaba manipulator because isex basuke.
This is the Durban Network. Igama ke ngusabelo ndabasi lo hlelo ke lixhaswe yiyona iNative Guard inkampani yonogada egada ke ngokuzinikela. They are based in Durban. Find them in their office which is the Darkonia Center in office number 2030. Their website it is www.nativeguard.com. Igama ngusabelo ndabasi and this is Durban Network. Ngani zamkhulu sasihamba.
Danko.